In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a shape border color in Canva. First, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. After that, go to the Shapes category and choose the shapes that you want from this option. For this video, I'll just choose this arrow. Now let's add the border first. To do that, just select the shape, then go up to the top toolbar and click the Stroke Style option. There are 4 styles that you can choose here. You can also set the thickness of the border here. Whether you want it to be thin or to be thick, it's up to you. After you choose the border that you want, you can click the Stroke Color option to change the color of this border. You can choose the color from these options which are provided by Canva. Or if you want something more specific, you can click this plus icon to add a new color. Just drag the circle to adjust the brightness, or use the slider to change the hue. You can also type a hex code into these columns if you have a specific color in your mind. And that's how you change a shape border color in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.